Okay, now when Samsung launched the Galaxy Watch 6 series, the new watches came with a couple of brand new watch faces which look amazing. Out of which one watch face is called Photo Sticker, which is highly customizable as well, and we can add our own image on this particular watch face. Now, if you want a previous generation Watch 5 series or 4 series which is based on Wear OS, you may be wondering whether this watch face is available for those watches or not. And the good news is it is available for your watch as well. In this video, let me show you where you can find this watch face. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is just open Samsung Galaxy Wearable application, tap on Watch Faces. Right here under graphical section, you will see this new watch face. Along with that, you will also see a couple of new watch faces under informative or let's say health section, which I'm going to show you. Now let me just scroll towards the right here. As you can see, this is where you will find this brand new watch face. Here it is. This is the Photo Sticker watch face. Just tap on that to download it, allow and install. You will be able to get this watch face on the watch. Now you can see these funny faces. Even this is available for the Galaxy Watch 5 and 4 series. And we have got this fluid number. You can install this as well. Under health section, you will be able to see another brand new watch face called Sleep Coaching. Even this is a pretty looking watch face which shows the sleep details on the watch. Now just tap on them to install them. It will be available for your Galaxy Watch 5 as well as Watch 4 series. Now let me quickly show you what exactly you can do with this watch face. I'll just press and hold on this and I'll tap on customize. You can see we can change the layout here. We have got different layouts for this watch face. The image as well as the details will change its positions. The layout looks pretty cool here. Now let me just swipe towards the right. You can see I can add different photos on this particular watch face. I will tap on this icon. All those images which are there in the gallery will show up here. If you want to add more images, you can add it from your phone. Now I'll just select one of the images here. We can zoom this image to position it properly and to make it large. I'll tap on OK. Here you go. We have just added the photo on this watch face. Now let me just go towards the right again. We can change the colors of these details here. You can see the background for these details are changing. We've got some solid color options and some other options as well. Now let me swipe towards the right. We have got complications. We can change the complication if you want. You can change the smileys if you want. I can just tap on the smiley here. You can change any smiley. You can set any smiley you want for this face, and you can change the other complications as well. Just tap on this and select the complication that you want from your watch. That is the Photo Sticker watch face for you guys, and now this is available for the Galaxy Watch 5 as well as 4 series. Now this watch face here is called Sleep Coaching, and this shows the details about your previous night's sleep, which is quite informational again. And we have got this funny faces watch face, which is also quite cool, but this is not informational. You can just tap on this particular watch face to change the animations here. Then we have got this fluid number watch face. It shows the time in this bold font, and it is interactive as well. As you can see, when you tap on this watch face, it just moves around. Not a very useful face, but yeah, this looks pretty cool as well. These are some of the new watch faces we have received for the Galaxy Watch 5 as well as 4 series. If you haven't explored it yet, go ahead, check it out and install it on your watch. These are some cool watch faces which are quite informative and good looking as well. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.